Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Before starting the topic, I request to everyone that please subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I have brought a new video for you about the Kumail Nanjiani, who's Sindhi Hollywood star. Kumail Nanjiani is also counted in 100 more influential personalities in the world. He born on 21st February 1978 at Karachi in the Sindh province of Pakistan. Kumail Nanjiani born in the family of Sindhi couple of Ejaz Nanjiani and Shabana. Kumail Nanjiani got earlier education in Karachi city and later he shifted to USA for further education. Kumail Nanjiani was suggested by his friends that he should be an actor. Then he started his career from the American TV channels and Hollywood movies. Kumail Nanjiani has performed in total 29 Hollywood movies. The Big Sick is his film released in 2017, and that film was written by his wife on their true love story. And his another film, Stuber was released in 2019. In that film, Kumail Nanjiani worked with Batista. He is also his good friend and ex-wrestler. Kumail Nanjiani is also a famous TV artist. He has worked in total 39 TV series and his famous TV series was Silicon Valley. He has also worked in total 9 web series. Kumail has performed as voice artist in 3 games. Kumail Nanjiani got married with Emily V. Gordon. Emily is the producer of Hollywood movies and well-known author. Thanks to all my friends those watched this video. And once again I am requesting you to subscribe this channel and we'll be meeting again in next video. Thanks.